The president came here to Phoenix and promised Valley families that they could save hundreds of dollars a year on their mortgage. But who qualifies for this? Fields Mosley is here now to explain this. Fields?
Well, Brandon, the president's plan affects people who have or want an FHA-backed loan. And there are a lot of people out there with these types of loans. But in this particular case, you need to know there might be some upfront costs before you start seeing those savings. Thousands of people use FHA loans to buy homes because they don't have much for a down payment or their credit ratings aren't great.
One of the biggest advantages, particularly in our market, is a lot of people have to, particularly anybody that had a short sale foreclosure, bankruptcy in the last few years. FHA is a lot more forgiving on the time frame.
President Obama announced this week he will lower the rate on the mortgage insurance required with those loans. And on a $200,000 loan, that means a family will save around $900 a year.
So a lot of people pay these fees. And if they're saving $900, that's money that's going to be going throughout the economy.
So we asked, what do you have to do to qualify? Bill Raybould with Waterstone Mortgage tells me if you have an existing FHA loan, you will have to refinance if you want that lower rate on the insurance. But refinancing costs money too.
If you're not going to be in the house more than 3 years, you may not be recouping your costs.
Well, and that's really why we do the offer the no-cost refinance. You're absolutely right. If you're going to pay $2,500 and it saves you $100 a month, you've got to be there for 25 months just to break even. But if you can save $80 a month for nothing, why not take advantage of that even for the first 3 years?
The president hopes to entice new home buyers into the market, and Raybould expects the lower insurance rates will do that. But you can still avoid the mortgage insurance costs entirely if you can afford to put more money down.
If you can get the conventional loan, that's a savings of thousands of dollars over the life of a loan.
It really can be. For somebody that says, I'm buying this house, I'm not going anywhere, I'm going to be here 10 years from now, 20 years from now, and they have the good credit and everything to do the conventional, the conventional may be a much better option.
So there are thousands of home loan products out there, and a lot of this depends on your specific situation. For example, you need to ask yourself, how long are you really going to be in that home? So for more information on the FHA loans, you can go to your lender, go to your bank, ask them about this. All of this really kicks in on January 26th. Live in the newsroom, I'm Fields Mosley, 3TV.